manipis. Ay! Mangosteen, rambotan, and lansones. Kainit.
Kung ka ang kulot atong mangosteen.
Waka mo kaon, Bray?
Sa kulang tulis eh.
Here.
Ito ba ko lang pinakaubos?
Ibutang ang kon. Nga magpanit ka. Oh.
Mana ba aso ko ni ma?
Yan. Kilid lang.
Hindi
Kaya
ko nga rambutan.
Ang bak na.
Nasa ito, gamit ka.
Lubot yung silpon. Yung silpon ng bata ka na.
Hindi mo i-charge yung cellphone? Charging?
Mana lagi ni ko ma? Ito ni ma. Tanawa ma. Ito na.
seed.
Tanawa ma.
It's the seed.
Dini ba kaning orange ba?
Seed lagi.
Kasi orange.
Why, you know Turkistan? Turkistan. Country na lang ang tanong mo Turkistan.
Turkistan,
That country doesn't have independence.
Turkistan, Pakistan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan,
Afghanistan.
Kawatan, so kaya ka ba yun? Huwag na pinaka-healthy ngayon ka.
Papa mo.
Kasamot mo diabetes ng kaunan? Ha?
Siya?
Kasamot diabetes. Pini ba?
Asa?
Ano?
Kanay mangosteen? Prutas nga tamis nga aslom-aslom. Ano siya kita og low glycemic. Og ay kag mga yellow fruits. Wala bawal. Wala bawal sa doktor na ko mga yellow, mga banana, mango, but I can eat in moderation. Kaning uban la.
Puno na.
Ano siya?
Mangosteen.
Nami mangostino. Naba kay guabastin. Kanang bayhana. Una yung nakanaan yung mangga.
Aha.
Ha?
Fresh fruit na nakanaan mo, manggang hinog. Ka. Ngayon ka. Kilaw siya bang tamis.
ka-juicy.
Kumukha nga na.
Luya man. Way kwarta.
Asa akong pang-lotionan. Oh. What?
Wala mo lang sa usawa pa.
You're grounded for this entire month.
Slow down. I have to dance in 2 days.
If you're grounded,
You're not going.
what will you do?
Ha?
If you're grounded for a whole month.
I don't care. I'll just go.
Mom, please.
No, I don't care.
What am I supposed to tell my date?
Tell her you can't go because you burned our house down.
What? Mom, I did not do that.
Then why did the firefighters tell me? It was your sweatshirt that burned the house down. You left the stove on, and your sweatshirt was right there.
Mom, I haven't used the stove in months. You have to believe me. I need your help right now. What is it? You have to cover for me. I accidentally burned the house down. What? Mom thinks I did it. Yeah, because I left your sweatshirt on the stove. Why would you do that? You have to tell Mom it was you. No, I have the championship game. I'm not missing it. I'm going to show Mom our messages. No, please don't. $500. No, $1,000.
OMG, Ron, I love you.
What happened?
The
That's
insurance
the
just
game?
called. You're reimbursing us for the cost of the entire house plus $80,000.
Pagkagdog.
That's great, Mom.
Ang mga...
Yes. I'll even send you money for your date. Take her somewhere nice.
1,500. Okay, fine. I can do 1,500. I'll tell Mom I did it. You paid.
Sa una, mga kasiguangan. Di pwede nung ano ng prutas. Kaya maglain diyan.
Ito, dili pwede.
Yung ano ng ganun sa prutas. Pero ako ginang gitsuhay. Ako ginang gitsupak. Ang butong, nangka. Mukunaon siya. Kabinuang nila ada eh.
Mama. Ay, pagkaon ano eh.
Nya. Ang
Kaya nagkaon kag kuan.
ang tinun anay day ana day.
Occupies 80% of this island.
Pinangatan.
The largest island in Europe after Great Britain. The British government decided to split up Ireland into two.
Basta mambusog lang ka,
May 1921.
prutas wag gid problema.
Part of the United Kingdom from 1801 to 1923. It is the only country in Europe with no snakes and also Halloween originated
Any
in
fruits.
Ireland.
Ngayon naman salad. Ang salad kalalain na nga parehar.
Pa! Ang Halloween pa ba, it actually originated in Ireland.
Yeah.
Ano mo nakasalak ang dito?
This is a bee. No, it's not. That's a wasp. Can I get a bee? That's a horn. Just give me a honey bee. How? What's the difference? So basically, all three can sting, and they all live in hives. But look, their day jobs are very different. The humble honeybee exists to collect pollen and hive. They protect their queens so she can keep laying eggs. These little guys don't care about humans, but if they sting you and try to fly away, you're back in your gun and they got one in it. Now, look at wasps. These things are actually aggressive predators. They don't give a shit about pollinating plants. They're hunters and gatherers, realizing their greatest mistake. And when a worker wasp's job is done for the year, they have nothing to do but wait for death. So they leave the nest and become crazy old ladies. These are the ones that'll sting you, and hornets are basically just giant wasps.
Nindot kay bagal dito. Makuhel gyud siya
Disguise
sa
myself as a poor bacon so no one recognizes me. There, all set. That fruit shop over there seems like a good
Pila
place
to,
to
ha?
try.
Sa.
Itong bagay doon.
What if Russia dies? Let's see.
This is very good news. Now I can freely drink Russia. I am also very happy. Let's